this video we are gonna talk about the introduction in Italian language. So let's begin with some phrases. Buongiorno, hello or good day. Piacere, pleased to meet you. Come si chiama? What's your name? Buonasera or buonanotte, good evening or good night. Conversational tips. Italians tend to use sir, signore, madam, signora, and miss, signorina more than English speakers would. These titles are usually used with the last names of people and not with their names. Of course, later in the video we are gonna give examples of how to use signore, signora and signorina better in Italian language sentences. So, in conversation, in formal conversations, we say like this in Italian. Buongiorno, mi chiamo Susie Lee. Hello, my name is Susie Lee. Buongiorno, Marco Paoletti, piacere. Hello, Marco Paoletti, pleased to meet you. Piacere, pleased to meet you too. And now let's see some other phrases of how to close a formal conversation. Goodbye. Arrivederci. A presto. See you soon. A domani. See you tomorrow. Grazie. Thank you. Now we are gonna see how we can use these phrases in the end of a formal conversation. So let's start like this. Allora, a domani? So, see you tomorrow? Sì, arrivederci, a domani. Yes, goodbye, see you tomorrow. Arrivederci, a presto. Goodbye, see you soon. This was all about formal introduction in Italian language. I hope to see you in the next video where we are gonna talk about the family and family members.